Okay, here's another box fan we have. This one is a Kmart Lakewood. I believe it's model P23. And I'm giving this to my grandfather since I took his GE. He wanted a replacement fan for his shop at home, so this is going to be his replacement. Let's go ahead and start it up. This one has cool startup sounds. So we'll definitely get you started up from the back in a minute. There's high, medium, and low. And lower. This one has good bearings in it, so it'll take forever, assuming the wind doesn't interfere. Yeah, it's got a couple of broken slats on the grill, but the motor's dated 72, so what do you want? Dog, what are you doing over there? As good as the startup sound on this one is, it's nothing compared to the other old fan, which you'll see next. Here's your startup. Of course, you can do it now. Oh well. There's our other Lakewood.